Step number 1. Install the mounting bracket. Slide the mounting bracket onto the back of the light. Step number 2. Install the light. Install the light to the top panel under the IAG logo plate using the 4mm Allen bolt. Step number 3. Tighten the 4mm Allen bolt. Step number 4. Connect the wiring harness. Step number 5. Install the wire clips for the harness. Step number 6. Install the harness wire into the clips. Step number 7. Remove the two 10mm nuts located at the bottom of the table. Step number 8. Route the wiring harness behind the table. Step number 9. Reinstall the two 10mm nuts. Step number 10. Close the tailgate table. Step number 11. Remove the latch catch. If installing on a soft top, you will need to remove the latch catch. Step number 12. Remove the plastic trim panel. At the back of the roll bar, use a plastic pry tool to remove the trim panel. Step number 13. Open the plastic trim panel. Use a plastic pry tool to open the rear trim panel. Step number 14. Disconnect the wiring harness. Disconnect the small connector from the cargo light harness. Step number 15. Install the wiring harness. Install the harness from the light to the cargo light connector. Step number 16. Install the factory harness. Connect the factory harness from the cargo light to the splitter on the light harness. Step number 17. Install zip ties. Install zip ties to secure the light harness to the factory tailgate harness. Step number 18. Reinstall the trim panels. Step number 19. Open the table to test the light. Open the table to test the light. The light will turn on when the top of the tailgate table is lifted up.